Welcome back to Standard 6th Science Digital class. Let's continue lesson number 7, Nutrition and Diet. Let's see a quick recap. In previous video, we have studied about need of living things, nutrients and foodstuff, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, its sources and function. Now we will continue next concept. First about probiotics. You know that the useful microorganisms which convert milk into yogurt are present in yogurt and in buttermilk. They are called probiotics. Observe the picture. Here milk and yogurt both are shown. Lacks of such useful and essential microorganisms are present in our intestine. Their presence is essential for our health. Hence, to maintain them in our body, we should include probiotics such as yogurt and buttermilk in our daily diet. When we suffer from loose motions and vomiting, we throw out microorganisms along with intestinal water. Some medicines can also kill them. So, therefore, we need to take extra yogurt and buttermilk to restore their numbers. Observe the picture. You will get these products in the market. Amul Pro Life and non-fat probiotic drink, that is Yakult. You can use it. Now about balanced diet. First we will see what is meant by diet. All that we consume during the day is together called a diet. It means whatever you eat from morning till night, all together called diet. Now about balanced diet. A diet containing adequate quantities of all nutrients is called balanced diet. If you observe here, this is a picture of balanced diet. It includes fruits, vegetables, rice, chapati, pulses and beans and dairy products. Let us see why balanced diet is important for us. To build a strong and healthy body, you need all nutrients in the right proportion and in sufficient quantity in your daily diet. Now we will learn about significance of balanced diet, means importance of balanced diet. We must take balanced diet for good physical and mental health to increase capacity to do the work. It helps in the proper growth of the body. It increases our resistance power to fight or resist diseases. This is balanced diet pyramid. How to get a balanced diet? Let us see in next slide. This is balanced diet pyramid. To get a balanced diet, we can make a diet pyramid. Observe the picture. This is balanced diet pyramid. Foods that can be eaten in larger proportion are placed at the bottom of the pyramid. This is base of the pyramid. Here cereals and pulses are given. Now tell me, which nutrient do we get from cereals and pulses? Yes, we get carbohydrates from cereals and pulses. The above space is allotted to fruits and vegetables. Here fruits and vegetables are shown in this layer. Eat in larger proportion regularly. We get vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. Next layer is formed by milk product, meat, fish and eggs. Eat these things an appropriate amount. Appropriate means suitable. We get protein through these foodstuff. The topmost layer of pyramid is formed by fatty substances such as oil, butter, ghee, which we require in lesser quantity in our daily diet. Hence, daily one should choose foods from each group according to the space allotted to it in the pyramid. If we consume food from each group in the right proportion, we can have a balanced diet. Students, keep in mind, apart from having a balanced diet, we also need to exercise regularly to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Now, draw this balanced diet pyramid in your notebook. It is given on page number 53 in your textbook. Now about fiber and water. If we select a daily diet which includes vegetables, fruits, sprout and cereals according to the pyramid, we will also get fiber in sufficient quantity. Now, water is also necessary for our body. Along with all other nutrients, the body also needs an adequate supply of water. For this purpose, we must drink at least 6 glasses of water, milk and buttermilk, lemon juice, sharbat and fruit juices. What is the use of water in our body? Water regulates body temperature. Next, about malnutrition. It is one type of disease. Malnutrition occurs due to insufficient intake of nutrients from the diet. This happens when a person does not get sufficient food or when the diet is not balanced. Observe the body of this boy. His physical growth is not proper. Malnutrition is more in India than in Africa. Malnutrition can be cured by eating a balanced diet. Now about overnutrition. If one's diet exceeds one's need, it is called overnutrition. Observe this boy. Overnutrition can develop into obesity, which increases the risk of serious health condition. Now, if you look at this second boy, he is suffering from overnutrition. So, to avoid this condition, you have to take balanced diet. And if you compare with this boy, he is suffering from malnutrition. So, to avoid both conditions, you have to take balanced diet. Now about junk food. Everybody like junk food, right? Now first, listen what is meant by junk food. Foods which do not supply all the necessary nutrients are known as junk foods. For example, chocolates, noodles, burgers, pizza, chips, bottles of drinks, packaged snacks, fried foodstuff like vadas and samosas, etc. This type of food is very tasty, but it is not good for our health. We will not get essential nutrients from junk food. If we eat a lot of junk food, it may cause obesity, and obesity is not good for our health. Now let us learn how to avoid obesity. Here, do's and don'ts are given. First, look at the do's. Have a balanced diet. Eat whole grains. Eat fruits and vegetables with their skin. Increase use of bicycle. Play more outdoor games. Now about don'ts. Do not eat if you are not hungry. Do not watch TV while eating. Do not use motorcycle for traveling a shorter distance. You can use bicycle for that. Avoid pre-cooked food or packaged food. Now we will learn about adulteration of food. The cheaper substances of low quality are mixed with the foodstuff to earn more profit. These substances are called adulterants, and the process of adding them to foodstuff is called as adulteration of food. Adulterated food is unhealthy and harmful to the body and hence unfit for consumption. Adulterants used to adulterate food are such that they will remain unnoticed even when mixed with the food. So this table shows the common adulterants added to the food material. First, look at the milk. Which adulterant can be added in the milk? If you observe here, it is given. These are adulterants. Water and chemicals like urea and starch can be added in milk. Now about chili powder. Brick powder or pumpkin powder can be added in chili powder. Next is peppercorn. Papaya seeds can be added in peppercorns. Now about rice. Small white stones can be added in rice so that you cannot identify easily while purchasing rice. Now about peanuts. Reddish pebbles or stones can be added in peanuts. So keep all these things in your mind. Now about coronavirus. We can take the example of current situation of COVID-19. As we know that due to coronavirus, our life has been disturbed. So, to avoid coronavirus infection, we must include vitamin C and vitamin D rich food in our diet to improve our immune system. Now, what we have learned in this lesson, nutrition is the process of taking food and water and using them to obtain energy and for the purpose of growth and other bodily functions. A diet containing all nutrients in the right quantity is called a balanced diet. Now, which nutrients we get from that? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fiber are the nutrients in the food. The food pyramid helps us to choose a balanced diet. Whether a person is malnourished or has deficiency diseases depends upon the proportion of food taken. Junk food gives us energy but not other nutrients. Adulterated food is impure and harmful to health. At last, student, keep in mind to remain healthy, have a breakfast like a king, have a lunch like a common man, and dinner like a beggar. Hope you understood this lesson. Read the lesson carefully and note down important points in the notebook. Draw balanced diet pyramid in your notebook. Thank you.